It's going to be a short video comparing these two voltage regulators. They're both new but old. New because they were probably never used, and old because they're original voltage regulators. So one on the left here is the one that I just installed, and there are no adjustments with it, as you can see. The one on the right is a Delco Remy. Here, I'll give you the exact number. It's a Delco Remy A612M, or 1972 21-4. Yes. And as you can see, this one has little screws on it, so we can adjust it. This one doesn't. We have to, the only way we could adjust it is by bending the little tab here, and I don't really want to do that, because then I will permanently modify it, and I don't know if the modifications are correct or not. So I'm going to replace this one by this one, and besides, this one looks a lot like the one on the manual, so the car a bit more original.